Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to design a multi-material wall quickly? In just a few minutes, we'll walk you through the entire process and recreate this case, step by step. Let's get started. Select the wall surface, then click to enter Wall Editor. Enter the Wall Editor page and use the Guides tool from the top toolbar to add auxiliary lines as needed. Then choose the Rectangle tool from the top to divide the wall into 3 separate regions. Next, use the Rectangle tool to draw the grille outline in the left region. After drawing, select the target area and set the extrusion value. Click on Wall Decor from the left sidebar. At the top, select Wood Veneers. Then choose a suitable material and place it in the left target area. Select the modeling line. Click to enter Edit Elevation. And choose the desired material to place on the facade. Then click Done. Next, select the configured modeling line, click Duplicate from the floating window, and then paste into current styling area. Hold the Shift key to frame select the configured grille design. Click Array from the floating window, select Rectangular Array, and then move the mouse to the target location. Click the left mouse button to confirm. Click on Wall Panel from the left sidebar. Select a suitable material for the middle region and set its extrusion value. Click Stone from the left sidebar. Select Marble from the top, then choose a suitable material for the right region and set its extrusion value. Select the modeling line of the marble region. Enter Edit Elevation. Choose the desired material to place on the facade, then click Done. Select the configured modeling line, click Duplicate from the floating window, and then paste into current styling area. Next, select the modeling line where the light strip needs to be added. Check the indented lamp belt in the panel on the left. Then set the brightness and color of the light strip according to the design requirements. After finishing the setup, you can drag and enlarge the view window in the upper right corner to check the effect and confirm whether adjustments are required. If no adjustments are needed, you can click Exit with Save in the upper right corner. After rendering, you will get a satisfactory effect image. That's all. Thanks for watching.